Welcome. I will now show you how to program the school bell timer. We will be only covering essential functions. I will explain you briefly the other functions also. Press increment to start programming. Show alarm total. This is used to show the number of total alarms programmed in the memory. Press enter to execute this function. Show alarm data. This is used to show the program data in the memory. Press enter to execute the function. Set new alarm. This is the important function. Press enter to select this function. Now you select the regular mode. Press enter. Press the start time of the bell. Suppose you want to ring the bell at 7:30. Use the increment decrement keys to set the minutes value. Set it at 7:30. Press enter. The hours is 7 o'clock. Select the weekday. If you do not want to select any of these days, use the next key to deselect one. Suppose we don't want the bell to ring on Saturday. Use the next key, press increment or decrement key to deselect the thing. Press enter. Now select the on time. If you want a long bell, select about 8 seconds or something. 8 seconds on. Press next. Off time to be 1 second. Number of repeats. You want it to ring only once. Press enter. Now this alarm data is stored. The next function, press increment, edit alarm. This is used to edit the programmed alarm which is already stored in the memory. For example, I'll show you. Press enter to select this function, regular mode. Now if you want to increase this time to 9 seconds, press increment key. If you want to reduce it, use the decrement key to reduce it to 7. Press enter once you are done with. Now the next function. Erase alarm. This is used to erase single alarms which are there in the memory. Set real time. This function is used to set the actual time of the day and the calendar functions. Set operate mode. Press enter key to select. You can select the operate mode. You want the regular mode, use the next key to select the exam mode, next key for the special mode, come back to the regular mode, press enter. Again press increment, set new alarm, edit alarm, erase alarm, set real time, set operate mode, show holidays. This will try to show you the number of programmed holidays present in the memory. There was only one holiday. If there are no holidays, it will not show anything. Now I will show you how to program holidays. Set holidays. Suppose we want to set an holiday on 26th of January. January is already selected. In case you want to select the different month, use the increment or decrement key to select the month of the choice. Use the next key to come to the date value. Select 26 using the increment and decrement button. Press enter. The next holiday, okay, and so on. Once you are done with, press the exit key or manual key to exit. Now we will see the holiday values which we have just now programmed. Show holidays. This is what we had programmed now. Okay, and there was only one holiday and that is why it has returned there. Show holidays, set holidays, clear holidays. If you want to clear all the holidays, use this function. Clear all alarms. This is used to clear all the alarms data in the memory. Once you select this, press enter. It will ask you for the mode. Select whichever mode you want. The alarms of that specific mode will be cleared. Increment. Fill demo data. This is for first time users of the school bell controller. This will fill demo data for the user to understand. User can use this demo data to get familiarized with the show alarm data function, edit alarm data functions, and so on. After filling the demo data, if the user wants to fill the actual data pertaining to his own school, he can clear all alarms and then start over all again. Unit details. This shows you the software version, the model number of the unit, etc. Now show alarm data. We have set an alarm at 7:30, so select the mode. See, 7:30, 7 seconds on, and this way. Now to ring the bell, I'll advance the time using the set real time function. I'll set it to 7:29. The bell will now ring at The bell will now ring at 7:30 sharp, and the on duration of the bell will be for 7 seconds. Now you can see the bell. And this is how the bell is programmed. You can program up to 60 alarms in the regular mode, 30 alarms in the exam mode, and 30 alarms in the special mode. If you have any difficulty, please send us an email. Thank you very much.